Next question is simple average is sometimes called unweighted average. Next, weighted arithmetic mean is related to frequency, as I told you. Next, when weighted arithmetic mean is greater than arithmetic mean, a very important one. In which situation weighted arithmetic mean is greater than the mean? Whenever we give the small importance to the small values and much importance to the larger values, then always weighted mean will be greater than the mean, a very important one. Next is test was easy, most of the students got good marks. Then which skewness is that much? I will have to make the graph. It is the marks. Here we have marks 10, 20, 30, 80, 90, 100. Test was very easy. Most of the students have got good marks. It is negatively skewed. If in the exam the question is the test was very difficult, complex, tricky, conceptual, and a few students have passed it, it means most of the students, here we have the frequency, most of the students have got small marks, less marks, then that will be like this much. That will be positively skewed. Now, if x is equal to 5 plus 2y and third quartile is given of y, it is 15. What is third quartile of x? Just you will have to take the help of this much. Q3 of x is equal to, the constant will be as it is, plus 2 into the value is given 15. 15 to the 30, 30 plus 5 is 35 will be the correct option. Last question of today's lecture is, if x bar 1 is less than x bar 2 and it has n1, it has n2, we calculate the combined mean which has n1 plus n2, then what will be the relationship? X bar 1 will be less than x bar c, less than x bar 2. A very important question. Best of luck students. I will wait for your precious comments today on today's video. Assalamu alaikum.